tong party na to. Ang alam niya lang, sa fast food lang kami kakain ngayon. Kasi hindi niya pa kasi napupuntahan talaga to. Plan talaga namin, surprise to.
We're getting off of the fence. I think we're ready to take our chances. Let's go all in.
First of all, happy birthday. Sana nga masaya ka dito sa inanda namin para sa'yo. And wala naman akong mahiling sa'yo kundi mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. At thankful kami at ikaw ay napakasipag na bata.
Let's go. I see a panoramic.
Sana lumaki kang masunurin, mabait sa mga nakakatanda sa'yo, lalong-lalo na sa mga parents mo, mami at daddy mo. Sana maging malusog at lagi kang ligtas sa pagpasok at pag-uwi.
Let's go all in. We're going all in. Don't overthink it. I gotta see where it's going.
Happy birthday, 7th birthday, my baby boy. Ang wish ko sa'yo, maging malakas ka, healthy, at sana yung pag-aaral mo, huwag mong pababayaan, at huwag kang makalimot kay God.
Gotta make it right, yeah, we gotta choose. All in on the top, gotta make it move.
Happy birthday, MM. I wish that all your dreams will be fulfilled and everything you want will become true.
We're going all in.
Happy 7th birthday, MM. May your dreams come true and study hard. Love ka ni tita.
Happy birthday, Kuya MM.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, MM. Happy birthday, MM. Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you.